70, they can also land up here. And there you see the devotees, those are going, that's the road, movable road, but also motorable road. We never know that in coming days if there are planning to bring out the electric vehicles also on this stretch, because that's quite, wider than the previous narrow road. So that's a completely smooth motorable road that connects to Gaurikund and then it connects to Gupt Kashi. When you travel from Rishikesh to Rudraprayag, the entire road that we see, the 2-lane, though the fragile ecosystem Uttarakhand, people also raised alarm on that. But this was also significant given the fact that these are also connecting Indo-China borders. And perhaps more than that, the religious tourism to bring in this part of that will bring the development, prosperity for this, not only the state, but also this part of Uttarakhand, the Rudraprayag district and also the adjoining district. And that's exactly what the Prime Minister in the rebuilt Kedarnath development project brought into several schemes and also likely to announce many other. A few minutes from now, Prime Minister Modi will be seen in the first images offering prayer at Kedarnath temple, Gaurav.
And are these images at this stage or subsequently going to be broadcast live across the 12 Jyotirlings? Is that the government's plan? Is that the BJP's plan that we are being told? Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister would be at the Kashi Vishwanath temple. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister will be at the Ujjain Mahakal temple. Top BJP leaders would be at Somnath temple. Is all of that part of the event that's about to begin right now?
So when you have to bring that message to the people, these arrangements are quite in place. Remember, there have been several events even in past when the Prime Minister has been inaugurating several events. Those were also telecasted through the giant screens. Yes, this has been part. Shivraj Singh will be, the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister will be at Mahakal temple. We have to see whether, because there is no confirmation whether the Yogi Adityanath is going to be at Kashi Vishwanath temple or not. But certainly a joint screen has been placed there at Kashi, at Somnath temple in Gujarat. There are also the Chief Minister will be attending here with also the cabinet ministers, and at several other places, as we know, the 12 Jyotirlingas. More than that, several other places, these joint screens by the BJP are being placed, and this is, as they say, since it's a mega event, that this is for the devotees, for the pilgrims, that those who are not able to reach Kedarnath, they could see these things, how the Prime Minister is offering prayer. But subsequently, this has also a political dimension, that how when 5 states are going to be under poll within 3 months, these images the BJP will try to take out to the people. So of course, anything that happens, it always has 2 dimensions. But for now, for Kedarnath, this is more about the development and also the boosting the economic activities. As we have seen destruction in 2013, several years, often years, even just couple of months back, we have seen a kind of flash flood in the Kumaon region. So certainly the challenge is to this eco-fragile system of Uttarakhand, this hilly state, how to ensure build up, how to ensure infrastructure, but at the same time taking care of the fragile ecosystem of this hilly state, Gaurav.